So halacha number 2. So it says after the prayer of Ashrei, the Psalm of Lamenatzei'ach, right, for the conductor, Tehillim chapter 20 is recited. On the following days, it's not recited. So okay, so we're going to list all of the days when this Psalm chapter 20 is not recited, right? On Rosh Chodesh, okay, Hanukkah and Purim. Okay, so commentaries say, in this prayer, we know that the difficult straits in which we are sometimes found, and recognizing that our sustenance is granted by God. Right, plead for a divine mercy in our days efforts. Due to somewhat somber, right, nature of the psalm, it is omitted on a festive day, including Chol Hamoed. So it's not only so one more time on Rosh Chodesh. So of course Rosh Chodesh is a holiday, right? Hanukkah is a holiday. Purim is also a holiday, right? And I think even before the holidays, maybe we're going to see like a Erev Chag, right? So we don't say it, and I think even Erev Yom Kippur we don't say it. So, but let's see. Okay, and of course Chol Hamoed, these intermediate dates, also we don't say this time. Continue. And in addition, in a leap year, okay, in the 14th and 15th days of first Adar. So actually this year is a leap year. So we have 13 months, right? Even though we're going to celebrate Purim in a second Adar, we have 13 year mean that we have Adar 1 and Adar 2, Adar Aleph and Adar Bet, right? So we always celebrate Purim in a second Adar, always in the second Adar, but in 2 days of 14th and 15th day of the first Adar is somewhat holiday, somewhat, right? So, and one of the things that we don't say this psalm. Okay, continue. So, right, so this psalm is not recited. It is also not recited Erev Pesach. So all of the, as we said on Erev holiday, Erev Yom Kippur, exactly, or Tisha B'Av. So as we explained before, this Tisha B'Av is going to it's called holiday in the Torah. So on one day it's going to be a big holiday, BeEzrat HaShem. It is also not recited in a house of mourning, right? So if we came to somebody who is sitting Shiva, so also we don't say that. On any day that Lamenatzei'ach is not recited, so this Psalm 20, right? Kael Eref Apayim, or God slow to anger, also is not recited. So let's see commentary number 5. The prayer of Kael Erech Apayim is generally recited on Monday and Thursday before the Sefer Torah is taken out. In any of the festive occasion listed here occurs on a Monday and Thursday, Kael Erech Apayim is also omitted. So that's a good formula. So on Monday and Thursdays we have a longer Tachanun, right? So Kael Erech Apayim. And if it is Erev Chag, right, or for example tomorrow, we're not going to say it's also, like we're not going to say Tachanun tomorrow because of the holiday to be Shvat, right? I mean it's a different holiday, but I'm not sure if we're going to say this Lamenatzei'ach. I think yes, but we're going to see in a Siddur. Okay.